How to adjust the volume of your TikTok videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to adjust the volume of your TikTok videos. So all you need to do is go to your TikTok, click on the post icon at the middle. Now all you need to do is hold the button of record to record your video. And now click on the check icon. Click on sounds. Choose the music or search for the music you want. For example, I'm gonna choose any music. Now all I need to do is click on the trim. Now I'm gonna adjust the sound of music. Now click on volume. Choose if you want to mute the original sound. Also adjust the volume of the music. And click on next. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.